kick things off, welcome to the webinar on green ammonia supply chain, production, storage, and export from India via seaborne transport to the EU. Today's webinar has been organized by the International Hydrogen Ramp-Up Program, H2UP, in cooperation with RWE Supply and Trading and the Indo-German Energy Forum. The findings being presented today are the result of a partnership under the H2UP program, which promotes projects and market development for green hydrogen in India as part of Germany's national hydrogen strategy. Before we kickstart the webinar today, I would like to inform everyone that the session is being recorded and would hence humbly request everyone to keep their microphones muted. And in case you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them in our chat box. With that, I would now like to invite Mr. Tapas Kapadia, CEO, RWE Supply and Trading India Private Limited, to offer his welcome remarks. Over to you, Mr. Kapadia.
Thank you, Pooja. Hello, everybody. Warm welcome to this webinar from my side as well. I'm Tapas Kapadia. I head RWE Supply and Trading's India business. It's my honor to kick this session off. We are here to review and discuss the findings of this joint cooperation project. I see close to 85 participants, quite an impressive number. So welcome you all. The project was made possible by the unique opportunity afforded to us all by the H2UP program. And I'm grateful to the whole team behind this initiative and working tirelessly as we speak as well. Deloitte, who was our consulting partner, has done a very detailed study on the subject matter, and we're all grateful to Deloitte and their team for their hard work and due diligence. Welcome to Deloitte team as well. In brief, the scope set out to explore was to study and understand feasibility of transport of green ammonia from India to Europe, including available opportunities, challenges, and infrastructure. As you will go through today's presentation by Deloitte, you will be able to appreciate that we have done more than justice to the scope in the final outcome and deliverable that you will see. So with this, I hand over the floor to Himadri from Deloitte to take us through the details of the study. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kapadia. Let me share